Hello, welcome to the Trade Forecast Channel Analysis video series. Before starting the video, I should mention that the Trade Forecast team, with more than 20 years of trading experience in various financial markets, has no other means of communication for teaching, signals, or investing advice other than the Trade Forecast channel. In these videos, we analyze appropriate indicators and introduce trading positions on a daily basis. Daily time frame DXY symbol. As you can see, after the chart hit the FVG in the daily time frame, it moved towards 50% of the shadow of the previous month's candle. According to the previous analysis video, if it could pass the low of the previous week's candle, it would continue to move to 50% of the shadow of the previous month. Given that the chart reaches the specified area, we should wait for the chart to correct, in fact, liquidate or run. Weekly time frame your USD symbol. Like the dollar index, but on the contrary, it has passed the highest price of the previous week, but has not reached 50% of the shadow of the previous month's candle. Therefore, as you can see, the upward trend of the chart is less than the downward trend of the dollar index, which means that the chart is likely to reverse more quickly. Daily time frame gold symbol. After creating an FVG in the opposite direction and respecting it, gold moved towards the next FVG in the daily time frame. If it can pass the high of the previous week this week, it will most likely reach the high of the previous month. Of course, there are signs of a return from FVG on the hourly time frame. Have a good day. God bless you.